me, Rain! What realm is this?
No mana, no life force, nothing. Round, flat. It hums in an ancient tongue. This is no ordinary creature. It's casting something.
It's casting something! Face me, demon!
Peace, Ancient One. We mean you no... It spared me.
It's toying with us! It could have killed us at any moment! Stand back!
It ate my magic! It absorbed everything!
It's stronger now! It's using my magic to cast! It's going to fire it all back!